Hey everybody, it's Court from Cody Media. The day I'm filming this right now is Amazon Prime Day, and it got me thinking about some lessons that restaurants can learn about marketing from Amazon Prime Day because it's brilliant, it's genius, because it's so super simple what they've done. So what have they done over the last, how long has Amazon been around? 15 years or so, 20 years? They have built a massive database, right? Millions and millions of people, okay? And they have your name, they have your email address, they have a way to contact you. They have millions of contacts, all right? And so you as a restaurant, you're not gonna have millions of contacts, but if you could get tens of thousands of contacts in your city, that would be really, really good, okay? You're getting people's information. Then, what have they done over the last week leading up to Amazon Prime Day? They have sent out offers and reminders about those offers, right? I mean, how many reminders and emails have you gotten about, some special that's coming up, right? A vacuum that's on sale, a TV, a blender, something like that. And you're like, wow, that, okay, I know this special. Maybe I didn't take action right then, but I'm going to get reminders over and over again about it, right? Same thing that restaurants can do. You build this database and you send people offers and you send them reminders about their offers, right? And so it's a perfect thing. You send out buy one, get one burger, okay? And then, for the next week or two, you send them reminders. Hey, don't forget, you've got your buy one, get one, all right? Then finally, what are they doing? They're getting you to spend more money, all right? How many of you have gone to Amazon on Amazon Prime Day? You go to shop for something, you go to buy the vacuum, and there's like a pancake griddle and that's like half price. And you're like, I need a pancake griddle. And you add it to your cart, right? They're getting you to spend more money over time, over the course of a couple days. And they're constantly sending you, hey, flash sale right now. Go buy this blender that's half price or something, right? They're getting you to spend more money over time. So it's so simple, but it's a model that all restaurants can do. Build a database, send people an offer, give them reminders, get them to spend more money over time. So super simple, but it's a strategy that this is what we implement for the restaurants we work with, and it works really, really well. It's how you grow revenue over time. So that's my quick tip for today. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about how this model can work for your restaurant, send me a message, email me, court@codymediakc.com. Send me a message on Facebook. Love to chat. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.